Welcome to Mountain Aromatics. Today I have Melafleur. It is from IFF. It is a middle note. It is 140 hours on the test strip. It's beautiful. Wow. So this one is Floral. It is Lily of the Valley. It's fresh, outdoors, green, and a little bit of melon in the background. So definitely, it is floral. It is really, really fresh. Here's how it smells like the outdoors. To me, it's like if you saw Lily of the Valley and you outside and you grabbed the whole thing and pulled it out of the earth. So you have the roots and a little bit of the soil with it. Very clean though. And you smell the top flowers, but a little bit of that soil aroma is coming up as well, and the green stem. That's what this smells like. So it's very, very clean, but it does have a little bit of outdoor garden. Maybe this. So you've been digging in the garden, no gloves on your hands, but just digging and planting stuff. So you have dirt on your hands, and then you got some Lily of the Valley, and you smelled them like this. So you're getting a little bit of that earthy dirt in your hand, but clean smelling. That's what this smells like. Green, there is definite green in here though, so I want to make sure that I'm saying that, because they're super fresh, very clean. Here, a little bit less green, a little bit more of the floral comes out on the test strip. Again, very clean, very fresh. I do get what I call outdoor. Yeah, this one, I'm gonna say it's a little complex. That's why I've kind of just been waiting. I was trying to figure out, there's something there, and I wasn't getting it to be able to verbalize it, and that's what I want to verbalize. It's a little complex. And a lot of times when I think complex, I think not so clean and fresh, but this is clean and fresh. It just has green, it has the floral, and it has a little bit of fresh outdoor, almost airy outdoor. Like, yeah, like, airy outdoor. Maybe, I'm going to step out on a limb, but maybe say a little ozone air. It's really awesome. This is part of the beginner's kit in or at creatingperfume.com. So you want to go check that out. I'll have a link in the show notes below. Yes, I call it show notes. I just listened to too many podcasts. I've been listening to podcasts for years and years and years, and that's what they call it, so that's what I call it. So, again, Melafleur, Melafleur from IFF. Middle note, it's 140 hours on the test strip. That's really awesome. It will go with any of your florals. I love this with wood. Use this with some wood, but you can also go in the citrus direction. So thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it very much. Thank you. I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I'll see you next time.